गोवा शिपयार्डाची नवीन कामगार संघटना चालीक लागल्या। ह्यान पयलीं आशिल्ली कामगार संघटना कर्मचाऱ्यांचे प्रश्न सुटावे करपाक अपयशी थारिल्ल्यान आता नवीन कर्मचारी संघटना केल्या अशी माहिती संघटनेची अध्यक्षा पौर्णिमा सावंत हिणें दिल्या। ह्या संघटनेची पहिली बसका शुक्रारा जाली। ह्या वेळार 200 परस चड कर्मचारी हाजीर आशिल्ले।
The workmen approached me because there were a number of irregularities with the previous union, and some of the allegations against the previous union was that there were wrongdoings and they were mixed up with irregular activities in connivance with certain elements of the management. The previous union was trying to create an artificial majority by refusing to take contributions, annual contributions from members whom they perceived would vote against them. So an artificial majority was sought to be created by not accepting membership. Those members sent the membership to the union, paid the membership in the bank account of the union directly. Now, fearing that they would be defeated at the elections of the union, the then general body of the previous union, led by one person by the name of Kishore Seth, he amended the constitution of the union without having a quorum at the meeting. Whereas the constitution of the union prescribes a quorum.
की जो आमच्या पयली प्रेसिडेंट असलो जे युनियन असले ताजे खूब अनफेअर आनी इल्लिगल आनी खूब हॅरेसमेंट असले एम्प्लॉई तर्फे थोड्यांचे मेंबरशीप सुद्दां घेवना ताणें बिकॉज ताका आर्टिफिशियल मेजॉरिटी दाखोवन परत येवपाचें असलें एज प्रेसिडेंट जे की इवन कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान बसना 3 वर्सां करून ट्रेड युनियना कडेन गेले आमचे जे क्वेरीज असले ते मांडले तेमकां सुद्दां समजून येयलें की बाबा हय खरेंच हेंचें कितें तरी चुकलां आनी जेन्ना तेमी हिस्ट्री पळयली ते युनियनाची तेन्ना तांकां अशे खुबशे कंप्लायन्सीस मेळूं ना ताका लागून तेमचो युनियन हो डिजॉल्व केलो आनी आयज तो मॅटर कोर्टान आसा हायकोर्टान आसा आनी जेन्ना डिजॉल्व केलो तेन्ना आमकां दिसून येयलें की बाबा हां आमी सुद्दां एक युनियन करूं शकता आनी तेंच्याकून बरो करूं शकता दॅट इज द रिजन आमी आमचो फॉर्म केलो।